Hi everyone. There are few things you must have to know before buying a water purifier in India. It is very important to know the water type in your area. Which water purifier has to buy, and it depends on the contaminants, metal particles present in your home water and hardness of water. Hence we are presenting water purifier types and their advantages and disadvantages, how they work and what type of contaminants, metals, impurities they remove. Depending on water purifier methods, water purifiers are classified into 5 types: reverse osmosis RO, ultraviolet UV, ultrafiltration UF, activated carbon, sediment filter. UV water purifier consists a UV lamp tube through which water has to pass for purification. UV lamp releases UV light. When running water exposed to UV light, the germs like bacteria and virus are damaged and inactive. Advantages: change the UV lamp once in a year or when it stops working. UV water purifier capable to deliver 2 to 3 or 4 liters of purified water within a minute. UV water purifier uses electricity as much as electric bulb use. UV keep essential minerals. Disadvantages: in purification process, germs bodies remains in purified water. In some cases, some of your germs not exposed to UV light and remains live or redeveloped or reproduce their population and makes water impure. UV does not improve water taste or color. UV water purifier not purifies hard water. UV water purifier designed for purifying low total dissolved solids. UV light exposure does not affect on chemicals like chlorine and fluoride. Next, ultrafiltration water purifier. UF or ultrafiltration uses hollow fibers of a membrane which is made of a thin layer of material. When water feeds through the UF membrane, suspended solids, bacteria and virus sticks, trap, retain in UF membrane. Basically, UF is similar to RO technology, whereas UF blocks little bit large particles. Advantages: works without electricity, works in low water pressure conditions, does not use chemicals, UF capable to remove mold and germs from water. Germs like virus, bacteria are blocked in UF membrane. Purified water is free from their dead bodies. Disadvantages: UF can't be used to bore well water, which has high level dissolved solids. In UF water, purified germs are trapped, blocked in UF membrane and stay there until manually clean UF membrane. Next one is activated carbon water purifier. Activated carbon is a form of carbon made from coal, coconut shells, wood. Usually activated carbon made from charcoal. Activated carbon is used absorption property to purify the water. Advantages: removes diseases causing pesticides and toxic chemicals like chlorine. Removes heavy metal particles, makes water smells and tastes good. Disadvantages: activated carbon does not remove dissolved salts while causing hardness of water. Does not remove bacteria and virus. The worst thing is improper maintenance causing higher growth of bacteria on the activated carbon surface. The last one is sediment filter. This one is a pre-filter, mean it used along with other water purifiers like RO and UV. The matter which is collected at the bottom of the water or liquid is known as sediment. Advantages: removes dust, dirt, rust, mud, particles present in the water. Removes any visible pollutants during pre-filtration which may further enter into the other purification system and damage. Disadvantages: does not remove dissolved solids, heavy metal and germs like bacteria and virus. Always remember the TDS value between 100 and 300 are ideal for drinking. Generally, government treated water falls into this range and TDS value between 300 to 500 are acceptable for drinking water, and value greater than 500 are not suitable for drinking, and TDS less than 100 are also not suitable for drinking. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Top Animates. Hit like, share and comment. Thank you.